Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. About a month ago, we had a first look at Google's redesigned G logo, where, as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked, where after nearly a decade, the revamp sees the familiar 4-color G transition from solid color blocks to a smoother gradient style design. Check the video out for more information. Now, if you are using Google apps and services and are tied into the Google ecosystem, just to let you know now that the Gemini icon in the Google Play Store has now received the same treatment. And Google did this quite recently. So if we head into our Play Store, and we just do a quick search for Gemini, you can see there's the new icon. And I took a screenshot and just zoomed in a bit. So that's what the new icon looks like compared to the older blue or purple themed star. It's now been replaced with the gradient style featuring the color set that matches the rest of the Google suite of apps. And I actually think this is a move in the right direction because it just makes everything more uniform across the board. Because here's the old looking icon, there's the new one. I think it just matches the rest of the Google apps and services a lot better. Now, although the Play Store is displaying this new icon, we can even see that the Play Store itself hasn't received the new gradient style color theme. The new icon hasn't rolled out everywhere yet. But I did notice today in an app update on my mobile device that the Gemini app icon on my phone got the same treatment. So it does seem now to be rolling out a little bit more widely across the board. But if you're not seeing the new icon and you are using the Gemini app, then I think just check back over the next coming days or weeks. Being replaced from that blue purple themed star to the more gradient style design, as mentioned when it came to that first look we took at the G logo. And it's going to be interesting to see if and when Google is going to change the other apps to get the gradient style. And when it comes to my personal preference regarding the new gradient style, I'm kind of on the fence with it. Can't really make up my mind if I prefer the old or the new. But nonetheless, just making you aware that Gemini now has received that change. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.